What values or practices do you think your parents were trying to pass on to you?
Well, the values and practices that were important to them, I think, had to do with education. That was critical. My father would say to me over and over again, I don't care what you do. I just don't want you to have to work with your hands and work the kind of work that I've had to do all of my life. Now, he wasn't really telling the truth when he said he didn't really care what I did, because he did care. What he cared about was for me to get a job that would be secure. And what that meant to him was one of two things. I should either become a teacher in the New York City public school system, or I should have a civil service job. That was his horizon for me. So education was important, security was important, and despite the fact that neither one of my parents ever went beyond elementary school, there was never a question as to what my education would be like. I would go to college, of course. It just never entered into any kind of discussion. I never questioned it. So that was probably the most important value. And another one that was not made explicit, and which saddens me because I assimilated it from my father, a sense of fear of the world, of a sense that you always have to be on your guard. Now that was really part of being Jewish too. That sense that you always have to be careful because there is danger lurking out there, and it takes the form one way or another of some kind of anti-Semitism. So be aware of that.